I like your family photos. Who is this?
That is my dad. He is a doctor.
Wow, he is very tall.
Yes, he is.
Who is this? Is this your mom?
Yes, that is my mom.
In this picture, they are so young.
Yes, they are. They are both 25 years old in that picture.
How old are they now?
They are both 60.
Wow, this is 35 years ago?
Yes, it is. Time flies.
Who are these people?
That is my husband. In this picture, he is at work.
Is he a fireman?
Yes, he is. And this is my daughter.
Who is the boy with your daughter? Is that your son?
No, that is her friend. She is at school.
Wow, what a nice picture. How old is she?
She is 9.
She is very cute.
Yes, she is cute.
Who are the people in this picture?
That is my older sister. She is a pilot.
Who is the man?
That is her husband. He is a pilot too.
I see. What about this picture? Who is this?
That is my younger brother. He is a football coach.
Who is the woman? Is that his wife?
No, that is his girlfriend. She is a teacher.
Where are they?
They are at work. That is their school. It is not far from here.
Wow, nice couple. And who are these people?
Those are my grandparents.
Who are the children?
Those are my cousins. That is my aunt's son and my uncle's daughter.
Where are they?
That is their farm. They have sheep, cows, and chickens.
Wow, those are big cows.
Yes, the cows are very big.
What a nice place.
Yeah, it's fun there. I go there often with my daughter.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 6 o'clock.
When is it over?
It is over at 7:30.
Wow, so long.
Well, it might finish by 7:15. What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is July
Why do you like July?
because the weather is hot and it is my birthday.
Nice. My favorite month is February.
Why? Do you have a birthday in February?
No, but I have no school.
Good reason.
In your country, what month is hot?
July is very hot.
What month is cold?
January is very cold.
What month gets lots of rain?
March. It is very wet in March.
What month is cool?
Both April and October have cool weather. When is your birthday?
It is October 18th. When is your birthday?
It is May 5th.
Oh, my sister's birthday is in May.
Oh? What day?
May 11th.
When is your vacation?
It is from the 8th to the 12th. And you?
It is from the 9th to the 15th.
Wow, so lucky. I work on the 13th.
Yeah, I am lucky.
Do you start work on the 16th?
Yes, I start work on the 16th. Excuse me, where are the books?
The books are on the 5th floor.
5th floor. Got it. And where are the sporting goods?
Sporting goods are on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor. Great. And the restrooms?
They're on the 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 6th floors.
Great. Thanks so much.
My pleasure.
What do you have first period?
I have math. And you?
I have English. What about second period?
I have PE. What about you?
I have history class.
What do you have third period?
I have art class.
Really? I have art class third period too.
When is your first class?
It is at 8:30.
Me too. When is your last class?
My last class is at 3:45.
When does it finish?
At 5:15.
Wow, so late.
I know.